Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the film Unfriended Dark Web 2018, which was directed by Stephen Sasko. This movie features the characters including Matthias, Amaya, Damon, Serena, Lex, AJ, Kelly, Sharon, and Nari. Although the film is presented through a computer screen, it manages to show a very thrilling and intense story that focuses on the dangers of technology and the dark sides of the internet. The story begins when Matthias finds a second-hand laptop and decided to bring it home. At first, he thinks he just got a good deal, but later that night, things start to take a strange turn. While using the laptop, he goes online to join his friends on Skype so they can hang out, talk, and play their usual online game. However, while browsing through the laptop's files, Mathias discovers a hidden folders containing disturbing videos, secret messages, and evidence connected to the dark web. These files show illegal activities and horrifying recordings that were never meant to be found. As the night goes on, Matthias and his friends slowly realize that someone is watching them through their screens. An unknown hacker begins controlling their devices, spying on the webcams, and threatening their lives. The group becomes trapped in a dangerous situation where every message, every click, and every decision could put them at risk. This part of the movie highlights how powerful technology can be, even in the hands of strangers. The film also showed two important ICT trends used in today's world. The first one is social media. Social media is shown through the use of Skype, Facebook, and messaging apps. These platforms help the characters stay connected, communicate instantly, and share updates with one another. It also reflects how much we rely on social media in real life, but also how vulnerable we can become while using it. The second one is assistive media. Matthias uses an app called Papaya to communicate better with Amaya, who is deaf. This shows the positive side of technology, how it can support and include people with disabilities. It is an example how ICT can help bridge communicate gaps. The films also highlights two major online threats we must be aware of. The first one is spyware. Spyware is shown when the hacker secretly monitors their webcams, screens, and private messages without their permission. This shows how easily someone can invade your privacy if your devices are not secure. The number two is phishing. Phishing appears when the hackers try to gather the character's information by sending fake files and suspicious messages. This teaches us to be careful with what we open online. Overall, Unfriended Dark Web is a reminder that technology is powerful, but it must be used wisely. The movie teaches us to protect our devices, secure our accounts, think before we click, and avoid suspicious links. It also reminds us to be a responsible digital citizens and to be aware of the risks that come with being online. In the end, our safety depends on the choices we make. Thank you, and that's all.